Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search and how you can apply for jobs on Job Today. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you can see at the top of the screen that search uh, uh, bar, and then there you can type like keywords, and you have to give the location as well. Let's say that the first teacher, and after that you can see that in that area of New York, in 5 kilometer radius, there are this type of jobs in the category of teacher. And then you can apply filters, uh, and there is the employment types: full-time, part-time, immediate start, no experience, and languages. So yeah, you can apply these filters um, when you are searching for a job. And if you like of that one of these advertisement, then by clicking on the name, here will appear some information about the job. And if you want to apply, you have to click on the apply now. And okay, because I'm so far away from New York, there is this question that are you sure that I want that you want to apply? Okay. And if you want to apply in other cities and countries, don't notify me anymore. Apply anyway. All right. And there is some extra questions, like I'm available for, but not immediately, and what's your most recent experience. Okay, tell us more about yourself, something like this. Okay, what languages do you know? English, advanced. How should the employer contact you, and so on and so forth. So I do not want really to apply for this job. I just wanted to show you that how you can apply for a job in this app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.